Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this red dress from Me Before You on Dress to Impress. Removing everything, I think I did some adjustments but it's not a lot. Select this hair in the only bangs toggle and I'm just going to color it this brown. And then go to the wavy section and get this hair too. I think I'm just going to move this up just a little bit, like so. And then for the top, we are going to use this one in this red and silk. And then we're also going to grab these shoes in just black. For the skirt, we are going to use this witch skirt. I know it's not the same, but we're going to add silk and we're going to color it red. Then if you want to, you can also add the scarf. She does initially wear a scarf, but obviously he says don't let the dress wear you wear the dress or something like that. I watched that too many times. And color it a light silk, so it's up to you if you want to add the scarf or not. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.